Hello everyone. Welcome back to our tutorial on how to securely send files with Blaze Part 2. In this video, we'll show how to securely share files with external users. Please note that these users are already using Blaze in different workspaces. To send files to non-Blaze users, please watch the next video. Before we begin, please make sure that you have upgraded your plan from the free version to the paid version to collaborate with external users. So, let's send a file to an external user. The flow is almost the same as sending to your workspace users, except you need to enter the email address of the recipient. That's it, it's sent. Now, let's see how the external user can receive your files. Just like the internal sending, an email notification will be sent. If the external user has one workspace only, the file will be found in the transfer history. However, if there are multiple workspaces, the file will be added to the external package page, where they can select the workspace to assign the package to. Then, they can access the files from the file history page. At Blaze, we take security very seriously. That's why we offer end-to-end encryption for all file transfers, ensuring that your data remains confidential. We hope you liked the video.